Welcome everyone to my new presentation on 2024, wishing you the best year ever. Happy New Year's guys, and enjoy yourself. Take care and make sure you are thankful for the great opportunity to become financial free in 2024 by participating in this crypto space. Happy New Year, folks. Now, Solana is going to be our price prediction for January 2024. We're taking care about this topic right today, as usually, based on my standards, down to the earth, on the rational side. So we're emotionless crypto trading, as you already know, things where our data matters more than opinions. Now, sorry, I'm a little under flu, but still having a good time and able to participate in these great materials. Solana is performing quite slow in the past couple of days. It is something that we have been expected, we have been looking for, and we have been needing. Why do I say these things which might hurt you? Well, you need to understand that sometimes for the short period of time, it's good to be hurt in order to receive a much better price for the long term. This is the case for Solana. Diving into the charts, but before we do that, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. There's many other videos as well that you can check out. I do publish daily, and you have daily price prediction video series from where you can learn, you can get yourself informed, and you can participate. I also have live trading and presentations, especially under my shorts tab. You can see that as well, some of the live trades that I posted right here, and you can, by the way, participate in my trades. There is a Solana trade right here recently I posted on $134,000 profit, which is more than $1,000, more than 1,000% profit on the margin. Now, this is my trading journal. You can join me. Option number 1 is no prior fee. Just a commission from the pure profits we make. Very simple. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and you give us trading permission through API trading. Simple and straight to the point. You can ask me more details. You can schedule up yourself a call. You can complete a form and participate, just like for the one-on-one coaching program for serious people interested to reach financial freedom in 2024. For this specific movement. Now let's get into Solana's discussion, folks, and see what is right here important. The first thing that I'm going to underline is that we have been sort of a way deciding to take the markets to very high levels and quickly, which means that we are successfully touching the number 2 extension from the previous structure established, which is something very rare happening. Once you have a structure established, which is already having a 300, 400%, 600%, so depends, but the levels of increases are major. If you measure them from the $7, $8 up to the 60, 65, you almost have a 10x. You have a 9x right there increasing in the period of time. The previous structure we're referring as a base is this one, right? So this is the previous structure we're referring as a base, from where we've been taking it to the new structure, forming the number 2 extension touch. Exactly on point. Now, very accurately, basically, the extension indicator is portraying we are supposed to see a reaction. Beautiful. We did broke out of the 1.618 without issues, and we just went quite wild, which is something that I definitely enjoy to see right now. The market is retracing only to the 1.618 and not down to the 1.4141272 right here. This is a major demand level. We haven't decreased to that one, which is, like I said, an amazing sign. Yet we still have some great momentum appearing in our conjunction between 20 days moving average, which is the red line, and then the orange line is the 50 days. What's happening right now at the time we're looking at this price action is that 20 days moving average, the red line, is trying to visit the 50 days moving average line from the top, and it's trying to test it out, which means that if we're finding support at this level, the market is again looking for having a decent market increase in the price action. If we don't find support and we have the tendency to cross or 50 days by going below, then we will obviously speak about things that could potentially generate a little more selling pressure, yet still not an issue, basically, overall speaking. Why do it's important to have a confirmation right now on the support side? Well, take a look what has happened here. Here, and then here. 20 days, on 50 days, 20 days on 50 days, 20 days on 50 days. Every time you don't want it to touch your 50 days with your red line, you have been bouncing from the red line, which is showing an active buyers database of clients that are into the market, participating in a very, very strong momentum of pressure. This is great, guys, for a cryptocurrency that is continuing its roadmap of increasing the price action very, very aggressively. As well, the 1.68 retracement from the tops is basically a very healthy sign as well. So we are in a situation right now for Solana where things in January gotta revisit the top, which is obviously probably not a big deal for you guys to consider, but still it's 20% to revisit, which is not going to be the easiest thing for a crypto that went, from $8. I mean, it went 15x already, 15x in this pre-bull market rally. It is the crypto of this bull market rally. That's right. It is the crypto that could easily dominate the bull market and potentially hit Ethereum big time in a major competition 1-to-1. So we're actually speaking about quite important things. But on the other side, there is one more thing that is very important here, is that the signal line on the CRSI indicator is about to cross the upper line of the cloud, which is a great sign of the buying pressure existence. Another very important thing that I've been recognizing is the fact that we've been finding support basically above the lower line of the cloud, which is, again, structurally speaking, this is a great momentum in the buying pressure existent. You have been under, and you've been printing an under and over on the cloud side for the lower line of the cloud. This is great, guys, as we're speaking through. And I enjoy seeing basically that Solana has actually retraced in this movement right here, 22%. Solana is not a crypto that was pretty much not generating any shake-offs of the market during this 23%. There's been 2 students that joined me because of the losses they had in this 2 days and 20 hours on that movement. It's quite insane for me to see that and to hear that, but they lost so much money in that 23% decrease in the market that they decided to go for education. That's 2 people to join out of a situation like that. And I've been able to discover, as I'm asking people, quite a few questions out there. But it's pretty much amazing on the other side for me as well, that people wait to get losses and then start looking for education as well. Now, obviously, what I'm trying to say is that we have been decreasing significantly. Going to higher levels, which is something we care about for January, there is a longer time frame existence of the number 1 top of the Fibonacci right there. In that case scenario, we're looking for $130 to $140 for Solana, guys. This is my main target for January on 2024. From this level, we're actually looking for printing another 31%. We need to be careful on a possible divergence appearing with the other top and a potential decrease in the market for a couple of weeks that could appear. So things gotta be measured very well with the upcoming increase that's gonna happen in the market, where it could be one of those temporary tops that we establish. Beautiful. That's it on the topic. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, check out my live trades, participate in my trading journal, join my trades as well, the one-on-one coaching. Check out a video for a detailed explanation and register now for a new call. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.